Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will talk about something very important. Something that can change your life. Yes, today we will learn how to speak English fluently and confidently. English is not just a language. It is a skill. It is a key that can open many doors. With English, you can talk to people all around the world. You can study better. You can get good jobs. You can make new friends. You can share your ideas with confidence. But many people feel afraid. They think English is too hard. They think they will make mistakes. They feel shy to speak. My friend, let me tell you something. English is not very hard. You can learn it step by step. You can speak fluently. You can speak confidently. You just need the right method and daily practice. Step 1. Start small. Don't wait for a big start. Start with small steps. Learn simple words. Learn easy sentences. Say things like, I am happy. I am going to school. I like tea. These small sentences will give you power. They will make you confident. Slowly, you will build bigger sentences. Remember, big buildings are made with small bricks. In the same way, fluent English is made with small sentences. Step 2. Listen every day. Listening is the key to speaking. If you want to speak English well, first listen to English. Listen to English songs. Listen to short stories. Listen to English movies or cartoons. When you listen, your brain learns naturally. You catch the sounds. You catch the style. You catch the accent. The more you listen, the better you speak.
Step 3. Speak without fear. This is very important. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. When a child learns to walk, he falls many times, but he stands again, and finally he walks with confidence. In the same way, speak English every day, even if it is wrong, even if it is not perfect. Just speak. Say to yourself, I can do it. I can speak. My English is improving. Your confidence will grow. Step 4. Read simple English. Reading is a great way to learn. Read small English books. Read children's stories. Read English newspapers with easy words. When you read, you see how sentences are made. You learn new words. You learn grammar naturally. Don't read with stress. Read with joy. Read a little every day. Step 5. Write something daily. Writing makes your English stronger. Take a notebook. Write 5 to 10 sentences every day. Write about your life. Write about your family. Write about your school or your work. Example: Today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to the market. I bought fruits. I came home. You can also write about your dreams and plans. For example, tomorrow I will study hard, or I want to learn new words. Try to write about different topics every day. This will give you new ideas and more words to use. When you write, don't think too much about grammar. Just write freely, and later you can correct your mistakes. This daily habit will make your English better and better. It will also make your thinking faster in English. Slowly, you will notice that your speaking improves too. Writing and speaking are connected like brothers. If you practice writing, your speaking will become smooth.
Step 6. Practice in front of a mirror. This is a powerful method. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak English loudly. Say, "Hello, how are you? My name is..." I like to watch movies. I am learning English every day. You can also act like you are talking to a real person. Ask yourself questions and then answer them. For example, ask, "What is your favorite food?" And then reply, "My favorite food is rice and chicken." This will make you feel like you are having a real conversation. You can even practice your voice tone and facial expressions. When you see yourself, you feel confident. You practice your smile. You practice your body language. This makes your speaking natural. It also reduces your fear when you talk to others. Step 7. Copy and repeat. This step is called shadowing. Listen to English audio or video. Repeat after it. Copy the sound. Copy the tone. Copy the speed. If the video says, "How are you?" you also say, "How are you?" If the video says, "I am fine, thank you," you say the same. You can do this with movies, songs, or even news clips. It is like singing along with music, but here you copy English sentences. At first, it may feel difficult, but slowly your mouth will adjust. This is how you train your tongue. This is how you improve fluency. Shadowing also helps you to think quickly in English. When you copy, you don't translate in your mind. You just speak directly. This is a big step toward fluency.
Step 8. Practice every day. Remember one golden rule. Practice makes perfect. If you practice only one day, nothing will happen. If you practice only 1 week, it will not work. But if you practice every day, you will see magic. Your English will grow. Your confidence will shine. Your fear will go away. Just give 20 minutes daily. Speak, listen, read, write. That's enough. Consistency is more important than speed. Even a little practice every day gives big results in the future. Think of English like a plant. If you water it daily, it will grow strong. Extra tips. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't be shy. Everyone learns step by step. Celebrate your progress. Use English in real life. Talk with friends in English. Think in English. Also, try to use new words in daily life. Even one new word a day can make a difference. Make English a part of your fun activities, like games or songs.
Enjoy the process and you will never feel bored. Final motivation. My dear friend, remember this. Fluent English is not a dream. It is possible for you. It is possible for everyone. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be confident. English is just a tool. Don't treat it like a mountain. Treat it like a simple friend. Talk with English. Walk with English. Live with English. And one day you will say, yes, I can speak English fluently. Yes, I can speak confidently. Yes, I did it. Believe in yourself and take action today. Your small steps will create a big change tomorrow. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and remember, keep practicing. Because your future is waiting for your confident voice.